Hello and welcome to another flashcard video. So today we'll be looking at these available flashcards for kindergarten.com 1 to 100, and you'll see that they have small cars on them. Sorry, I printed these quite small, but you can print them in various sizes, any size you want. They have red car, orange car, yellow car, and as the numbers get bigger, you can ask the children questions like how many green cars are there, how many red cars are there, okay, something like that. So if you've got a class with mixed levels, you can ask the children who don't know the numbers yet the number, but then you can ask the child who already knows the numbers how many can he count or something like that, okay? So just a little extra thing to help you in the classroom. And after that, we've also got a big number chart which you can print out, use as a poster, or you can use it for number recognition. So after you've practiced numbers, maybe you give this out to all the kids and you just play a very basic, kind of like a bingo game, okay? Say, okay, can you circle the number 3? Where is number 3? Can you see 3? Kid circles it. Can you see the number 17? Okay, so you know the levels of your kids, so you give the kids who still need some time to catch up, you give them the easier numbers, and then for the kids that need a challenge, you give them the higher numbers. Okay, I recommend if you do any sort of activity like this, you do it as a group first on the board, just you, and then you demonstrate how to do it, and then you say, check, do you understand? Send them away, and then you can play the game. Never just explain and expect them to get it. Always model it, just so they have, just so everybody's up to speed. And then when you're done, you can erase it. So that's a good thing about laminating things. If you want this, and the cards and hundreds of other more cards, worksheets and stuff like that, visit flashcardsforkindergarten.com. Leave me some comments of something that you're looking for, something you want me to design, and maybe I can design it for you. If this helped you out, tell me it helped you, and that's it. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.